Welcome. If you're looking to block someone on Snapchat, you've come to the right place. Blocking someone can help you manage your privacy and ensure a better experience on the app. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to block someone on Snapchat using your Android device. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar camera screen. To access your chats, swipe right from the camera screen, or you can tap on the chat icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will bring up your chat window, where you can see all your conversations. Now, scroll through your chats to find the person you want to block. Once you locate their chat, tap on their name to open the conversation. This will take you to your chat with that person, where you can manage your interaction settings. Next, look for the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. This icon represents the chat settings. When you tap on it, a menu will appear with several options related to your chat. Here, you want to select Manage Friendship. This will give you control over your connection with this user. In the menu that pops up, you'll see a few different options. Among these, tap on Block. This is the step that ensures you won't receive any messages or snaps from this person in the future. Once you tap on Block, a confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you're sure you want to block this person. Take a moment to consider, and if you're ready to proceed, tap on Block again to confirm your choice. And that's it. You've successfully blocked someone on Snapchat. They will no longer be able to contact you, and you won't see their snaps or stories in your feed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Snapchat and other apps. Enjoy your Snapchat experience.